This is the best medicine, the best treatment that I've ever done. It is absolutely beautiful. It's about 0 degrees, so that's like 32 Fahrenheit. It was pretty windy when I started, but where I am currently is not windy at all. The sun is shining. As you can see, I even shedded my jacket off, and it is absolutely perfect. I am not cold, I am not hot, I am not sweating, I am going at a comfortable pace. I do need to go carefully because there is a lot of ice, but I've got crampons, my shoes, I've got my hiking poles, and life is beautiful right now. And I'm not in pain. So let's do this. It's gotten pretty windy. I don't know if you can hear it. And the sun is off and on, so when the sun is gone and the wind blows, it gets a little bit chilly, but not worth putting my jacket on, because then, you know, a little bit down the road, the sun comes out, the wind stops, and then you're sweating. So I'm just gonna keep walking to stay warm. And yeah, if the sun decides to stay out, then I'm definitely getting my jacket. But it's beautiful. Oh my gosh, the white is just so magical. All right, I'm gonna walk to keep warm.